Hey, it's Cindy, your Superhairpieces hair care specialist. Today, I'm going to discuss the difference between our popular skin hair systems, M111 and HD111. The M111 and HD111 are both disposable V-looped skin-based systems, which means they can only last for one wear, which is about 4 to 6 weeks. Both are sized at 8 by 10, can be cut down to any size, and are natural looking. Both hair systems also have a shallow contour that is great for those who have more of a flatter surface for attachment. The difference between the two is the amount of density, the front hairline shape, and the base thickness. The density on the M111 is 80%, with about 15% more on the first 1 inch of the base, making the front hairline the same density as the HD111, but thinner everywhere else. The overall density on the HD111 is 95% throughout, giving it a consistent hair density. The front hairline is a CC shape, giving it a slightly straighter shape, great for those who have a wider hairline. Overall, these disposable hair systems are perfect for giving you a natural look. These bases are made so thin that it blends really well with your skin, and the lighter density provides a very subtle look that will blend with those who have an overall thin density with their own hair. Keep note that since these bases are V-looped and are disposable, there is no warranty, which means please handle with extra care. If you are looking for more durable hair systems or to find out more about the M111 and HD111, please click the link below. Subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this.